Hey guys, I got this question the other day. They were basically talking about their return grill, so where their filter is located or where the air actually goes into the system. Sometimes there's not a filter there, but usually there is in most homes. But where that air goes into the return duct, that return grill was whistling. It was making a kind of whistling noise. And even if it's not necessarily whistling, if it's just loud, there is one main reason that is usually a problem. And there's usually only one way to fix it. Now, if it is whistling, you can sometimes take like a pair of needle nose and kind of bend those fins a little bit, making the air pass through that grill a little differently, and maybe that'll help with the sound it's making. But ultimately, usually, if you are having that issue, if you have a loud return grill, whistle or not, if it's just loud and sound, it's usually because it's undersized. So what I would do is, if I were you, there's one easy way that you can find out. You don't have to get super technical with a ductulator and all that stuff. You can get a professional in there. But the way you can find out real quick to see if that return grill is undersized is, on average, typically across the board in our industry, most folks want the return grill to be 200 square inches per ton that system is. And I can't tell you, we go into homes every day that they are undersized. And sometimes the homeowners don't even care. We'll tell them about it, and they've just become used to the noise, and they don't care that it's restricting, that air's got to come through that system, and they don't care that it's hard on the system, that it's restricting that air. But you find out how many tons your system is. You want 200 square inches of return grill per ton. So if you have a 3-ton system, you would want 600 square inches. And the way you figure that up, you just multiply the height by the width, and whatever that number is, compare that to how many tons you have. So if you have, say, a 20 by 20 inch grill, that would be 400 square inches on that return grill. And so if you had a system that was more than 2 tons, then you now know why your return grill is loud. That's just a quick rule of thumb. There's more to it than that. And if you think you have an issue, definitely call a pro. Get them in there to make sure everything is sized properly. I would say that I run into, at least the majority of the houses we go into, the ductwork is undersized. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.